Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to change Snapchat password if you forgot it. So basically, make sure that you updated the app to the latest version. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and open up my Snapchat. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and click on my Bitmoji at the top left, and then click on the settings here at the top right. And from here, scroll a little bit down, you can see email and password right here, password. And if you want to set a new password, you need to enter your current password first. So basically, if you want to change the password, you need to enter your current or first password. And if you don't remember it, you need to go back right here and scroll a little bit down to the help center, and then just go to where let me find it. You need to find the more information, policy, other legal places, join beta. Now you can go to my basically I need help right here, and then follow along to actually find how you can get it done if you forgot it. But you have a couple options. If you are using iPhone as well, you can you can use that support option for Snapchat as the last resort. But you can go back to your screen and go ahead to your settings if you're using iPhone, and then go ahead to password, and then in the password you're gonna be able to search for Snapchat. Click on the Snapchat, and then you're gonna see the password for that Snapchat, right? The same goes for everything. So if you saved it on your phone, you should be fine. Let me know in the comments of this video. Hope you don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.